Everyday English Fluency. In this video, we'll share 10 valuable tips to help you become a small talk pro and boost your conversation skills. So let's get started. Approachability is the first step to initiate any conversation. Wear a warm smile and maintain an open posture to make others feel comfortable approaching you. Confidence goes hand in hand. A firm handshake and maintaining eye contact exude self-assurance. Begin with easy icebreakers to set the conversation in motion. Ask about the event, the venue, or the weather. These topics are universally relatable and can help break the initial awkwardness. Effective small talk requires active listening. Show genuine interest in what the other person is saying by nodding and offering verbal cues like "oh, I see," or "that's interesting." Being a good listener makes the other person feel valued and encourages them to open up. Search for common interests or experiences that you can both relate to. Shared hobbies, movies, or recent events can act as excellent conversation starters and keep the flow going. Avoid politics, religion, or personal matters until you establish a deeper rapport with the person. Once you've found common ground, try to expand the conversation by asking open-ended questions. These encourage more in-depth responses and help you learn more about the other person's opinions and experiences. Pay attention to your body language throughout the conversation. Maintain good posture, make appropriate gestures, and smile genuinely. Positive body language reinforces your interest in the conversation. Timing is crucial in small talk. If you notice the other person seems busy or preoccupied, respect their space and consider continuing the conversation later. Don't be afraid to share brief and relatable personal stories during the conversation. This can create a sense of connection and make the interaction more memorable. Finally, when it's time to wrap up the conversation, do it gracefully. Express appreciation for the conversation and exchange contact information if relevant. Ending on a positive note leaves a lasting impression. Congratulations! You've now learned 10 valuable tips for mastering small talk and elevating your conversation skills. Remember, small talk is an essential gateway to more meaningful connections, so practice these tips regularly to become a small talk pro. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Happy talking!